The cosmos. It has baffled us since the dawn of humankind. Driven by curiosity, we have been studying it for the previous millennium years. From our childhood days, we have also fascinated about the space. But apart from scientifically valid facts, there are also several myths which arose about space. These myths must be debunked with scientific facts. And this video explores such myths and misconceptions about space and debunk them with scientific facts. If you think that space is a perfect vacuum, then congratulations! You also believe in one of the most common myths about space. So while space is incredibly empty compared to that of Earth's atmosphere, it is not a perfect vacuum. It contains extremely low densities of particles including hydrogen and helium atoms, dust, plasma and electromagnetic radiation. The interstellar and intergalactic medium, those parts, play a crucial role in astrophysical processes. One another common myth about space is that thinking all planets in our solar system are made of rock and metal just like Earth. The fact is that our solar system hosts a diverse range of planets. Beside the terrestrial or rocky planets like Earth and Mars, there are gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. There are also ice giants like Uranus and Neptune, which have significant amounts of heavier elements like oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, and sulfur in the form of ices. If you think that black holes are empty voids in space, then you're wrong. Because the fact is that black holes are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They are formed from the remnants of massive stars that have collapsed at the end of their lives. At the heart of a black hole lies a singularity, a point of infinite density where the laws of physics as we know them breaks down. The immense gravity arises from this incredibly dense mass concentrated in a tiny volume. One another common myth is that constellations are a group of stars that are physically close to each other in space. The fact is that constellations are patterns of stars that appear close to each other from our perspective on Earth. In reality, the stars that form a constellation can be vastly different distances away from us and from each other. They are merely aligned along our line of sight. If you thought that Big Bang was an explosion that occurred at a single point in space, then I'm sorry to say, but you believed in the wrong idea. But know the facts from here. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in the traditional sense, occurring at a specific location within a pre-existing space. Rather, it was the expansion of space itself from an extremely hot and dense state. Space and time themselves originated with the Big Bang, and the expansion continues today with galaxies moving further apart. One another misconceptualized idea is that we can see the edge of the universe with powerful telescopes. So know the fact, while our telescopes can observe the light that has traveled for billions of years, allowing us to see very distant objects, we cannot actually see the edge of the universe. The observable universe is limited by the distance that light has had time to travel us since the Big Bang. The universe beyond our observable horizon may be infinite in size or maybe something else. One another commonly believed myth is that heavier elements are only formed in supernova, while the fact says something else. While supernova or the explosive deaths of massive stars are responsible for creating many heavy elements, including those heavier than iron, lighter elements like helium, and some heavier elements up to iron are primarily produced through the nuclear fission within the cores of the stars during their active lives. Different types of stars and stellar events contribute to the cosmic abundance of various elements. And there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating realm of astrophysics, where scientific understanding helps us unravel common misconceptions about the cosmos. Universe is a place of profound beauty and intricate mechanisms, far more captivating and complex than many myths suggest. By embracing scientific inquiry and critical thinking, we move closer to appreciating the true wonders of celestial objects, from the subtle dance of gravity to powerful engines of stars and the grand evolution of the universe itself. Keep your curiosity ignited, continue to explore the vast expanse of knowledge, and let the scientific facts illuminate the extraordinary reality of our cosmos. The more we learn, the more awe-inspiring universe becomes.